Hi everyone, this is Anne from Magic Laser. If you have a request to weld metal, please take a look at this magic fiber laser welding machine. One machine can achieve full functions: welding, cutting, cleaning, and weld seam cleaning. Compared with traditional welding equipment, laser welding machine is faster for some place. The weld seam is beautiful and smooth. Don't need to polish, saving time. Ordinary workers can learn to operate the machine in 5 or 6 minutes, effectively reducing labor costs. Good configuration makes the machine run more stable, and quality wins customer reputation is what we pursue.